What's up, y'all? We got a new mic. You can buy this in a couple of variations. You can buy one for your camera. You can buy one that's lightning. You can buy one that's USB-C. I bought the whole combo. I didn't want the fries or the shake or just the burger. I wanted the whole thing. Even though when I go to Burger King, I actually order just a shake all the time. But in this case, we gonna get the combo. Because I'm gonna use this for streaming. I'm gonna plug it into my MacBook. And I'm gonna use it for YouTube. So it's got double use. All right, let's open this up. I'm super excited though about this. I watched a couple of videos on it. So let's see what we're working with, even though I already know. I'm not about to sit here and act surprised. Paperwork, who needs that? We don't need. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Oh, this thing, it feels like some AirPods. I mean, it's way bigger, but it do feel like some AirPods. This thing feels nice. I want to smell it. I want to smell them. These are so sick. They got pins. They stick on the back of your shirt. So these things, they're pretty dope. They got some pins. I like that. I like that they got these pins on them. They make it hard to take out. All right, so this would be for my phone. At first I was gonna get the lightning one, but I might not have my 13 Pro for too long. Then I'm like, all right, I'm wasting money. But I got it for both. That way I could use this for now until the new phones come out. This is the USB-C. So this is dope. I got both of these. I can just plug them in. I don't have to use my HyperX mic anymore. And for these YouTube videos, a lot of time I use my phone mic. And I also use a real cheap Amazon mic. This mic been getting the job done. All right, let's continue to open this up. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Let's open this up. So we got a necklace. This necklace will allow the little mics to clip onto it. It's pretty dope how they got this. They really got this all figured out. Like, look at this. Now, I haven't used this yet, so can't really sit here and act like I know what I'm doing. I mean, I guess it just clips. Oh, snap. That is crazy. That is, who thinks of this stuff, man? So that's how the necklace works. Who thinks of this? And that magnet is strong, man. That magnet is very strong. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, okay. Little filters for when you outside. These got some really good noise cancellation. Passive noise cancellation is pretty good. The active noise cancellation that I've seen in the videos didn't look too good. I thought it came with a couple of more things. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. I got scared, y'all. I'm like, don't it come with a, oh, and it's the clips. It come with some clips in case you want to clip it on your collar. Like, this came with so much stuff. So you could take this off and clip it on here. These things came with a lot, man. They really got this figured out. They really did a great job with these so far, man. Okay, and that's USB-C. I guess that's to charge the case. This is for the camera. Now, it's something that I've seen, you know, a lot of these people was complaining that the logo was on these. I don't care if the logo on there. Well, they put the logo on there, they put the logo. People be caring about that stuff. I don't. So, look like they listened to the people and they added freaking stickers. Am I gonna use the stickers? Yeah, not to contradict myself. I don't care about that logo, but I'm gonna use the little kissy fake. And I don't know what other one I'm gonna use. Maybe the hearts. But I'm really excited to use these, man. I'm really excited. Now let's check out the button that the mics have. You press once to turn on noise cancellation, the light will go green. You press once again, it'll turn it off, the light go back blue. Double press, you can start recording from your phone, and double press again, and you can stop recording from your phone. All right now I am running a microphone from the phone outside with background noise and a little bit of wind. I figure outside is the best place to test it instead of doing it in the house. All right, now I'm running the Lark M2 microphone. The wind is still going a little bit. Still got the same background noise as I did a minute ago when I used the phone microphone. I have yet to see the difference yet because I haven't listened to this, but I'm excited to see the difference. So in conclusion, I really like this microphone. I've been using it on the stream. I'm using it right now. I figured I would conclude the video with using the mic. I have my air conditioner on in the background. When I was recording with my phone and my other mics, if I had the air conditioner on, you would be able to hear it. With this mic, with noise cancellation turned off, you should not be able to hear that air conditioner at all. Also, I really didn't mention the camera receiver. I mainly wanted the Lightning receiver and the USB-C, but the camera receiver was the USB-C's cousin, so it came along for the trip. So I really didn't talk too much about that because I'm probably not going to use that thing. But it has a volume dial on it. It has a mono and stereo setting, and it has an aux port so that you can plug it, plug the receiver into your camera. I won't be using that. I might learn more about it just to do a video on it, but I don't even have a camera to do a video on it with. Also, the app. I did not mention the app. I was having problems with the app. Like, it always says no devices connected. So I thought it was just me. I thought maybe it was my lightning port on my phone that was causing issues, but then I looked at the reviews. A lot of people with different phones, 15 Pro Max and stuff like that, is having problems with the app. The app got certain settings where you got like a low, medium, and high volume control. The good thing is, if you do get the app to work, you can set it to a certain setting that it will stay like that every time you plug it in. So I have my volume on medium. You got the noise cancellation controls in there too. I mean, you have the button that you can press to turn the noise cancellation off and on, but you also have some settings in the app for noise cancellation. But it just doesn't work consistently. So luckily it's a plug and play microphone. That is not a deal breaker for me. That could be a deal breaker for some. But so far I like the mic. Like, I'll literally find a reason to take something back. Like, I'll take something back in a heartbeat, but I'm keeping this bad boy. And that's it, man. If you can get this thing on sale like I did, I got it like $30, $40 off on Prime Day. It was like $130 versus $179. I definitely think it's worth it. I like being wireless and not tied down to a device. And that's it. That's all I got, y'all. I'm out.